Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the app has the right permissions so it can access the data it needs. Tap Sign In and use your verified phone number. Set up two-step verification if offered, because security prevents false results. Once signed in, open Only Way and choose Find Number. This begins the actual lookup flow. You will see options to scan a QR, upload a contact card, or manually enter digits. Pick Manual Entry to control the input and avoid scanning errors. You now input the number in international format, plus sign, country code, then the local digits, because consistent formatting yields better matches. Next, apply filters. Choose name, carrier, or region to narrow results. Date ranges reduce outdated entries. Once you run the search, Only Way shows real-time matches with a confidence percentage. Tap a match to expand details and check the listed sources if multiple entries appear. Compare carrier and timestamps to identify the most reliable result. You finish by confirming the best match. Cross-check carrier info and the most recent timestamp, then save the contact or flag it as verified for future reference. If you need to keep records, export the result as CSV or vCard and share it with a colleague. If the app returns no reliable match, troubleshoot. Make sure permissions remain enabled, reformat the number in international style, clear the app cache, and retry with different filters or broader date ranges to broaden the search.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.